Hi guys, welcome again. Guys, today we will be doing writing module. Clear? And we will be taking essay that comes under part 2. Clear? So, just directly skipping towards the question. The question is like this. Some people prefer to read or watch national news only. Others believe in updating international news. Discuss your point of view. Now, what we have to do, we have to just make two body paragraphs, and we will be discussing about national news on the one side and international one on the other side. Clear? For starting the essay, the introduction part should be made by you. Clear? It should be very polished and we should use impressive vocabulary for it. Clear? Regarding ideas, I am going to present you some of the ideas which you can put in your essay. Clear? So, before starting body paragraph 1, you can use this type of transitional expression at the onset. Clear? At the onset there are others also, like to embark with, to start. Clear? To begin, to comment, to begin with, to commence with, like this. But I think this one is very good transitional expression and it is impressive also. Okay, so you can say at the at the onset, national news is directly linked to people's life. Now here we are only giving the key sentences. I have written only the key sentence, but you have to elaborate it. Clear? So at the onset, national news is directly linked to people's life. Clear? For our life, we have to just rely, and we have to broaden our mental boundaries towards the daily things which happens in our life. Clear? And about that, we get news from the national newspapers or the TV programs. Clear? Second is, you can add here like this also. It keeps updated with current affairs of the country. I already explained you. Clear? Further, you can mention it provides knowledge or awareness about different spheres of life. Different spheres of life. Clear? Spheres means all the boundaries, limitations, and all the other thing, the whole thing. Clear? That all comes under the category of this particular word, sphere. Clear? Means every aspect. Okay? So here we can say it helps in providing awareness or knowledge about different spheres of life. But you can give example also. Clear? For instance, for getting jobs, for getting educational. Clear? For entertainment, for sports, for matrimonials, and the other sections. Clear? So these all things we get from our local news channels or the media channels or the newspapers. Clear? These three ideas are good, and you have to maintain your this body paragraph size also. Clear? Don't exaggerate one BP too much and the other in only in 4 to 5 lines. Clear? Okay. So for BP2, you can use this expression as on the contrary. You can use on the other side, on the other hand, on the flip side, on the dark side. Clear? But for today, we'll be starting it with like this only. On the contrary, some people are fascinated towards international corner. Clear? So those type of peoples who just who are attracted towards the international aspects. Okay, so they feel to get themselves updated with the international news. Clear? Like you can say here, suppose a person wants to have a good business or expand his business. Clear? Or a student who have completed his studies and now he wants to go abroad for education, for study purpose, or good quality universities, clear. And for job requirements also you can say, clear. You can also add that they are fascinated towards international news so that they can avail good job opportunities with lucrative salary package. Okay. Second, we can also otherwise I have explained this line, this your last line, that is about the educational universities, educational institutes, different type of courses they can do, clear. So for them the international platform is the only thing which will furnish their appetite, clear. Two bps are over, it's okay, it's all right. And now we will be concluding our essay. So for conclusion of this essay, you can use in compendium, okay, in crux. In crux is a good word. I mean, good expression. You can use this one. Okay. So in crux, it is quite evident, or it is worth accepting that the national and international news have their own essence and significance, and for different purpose both of them are parallel, and they are both equally important also. This is my view, you can add your view also, clear. Now I think you will put well with this essay, and you've understood all the criteria. So for now it's okay. Bye bye, take care.